peppers now. Don't kill this time, huh?
I am not going to kill all in this time. So we go in and you'll tell me when to stop? Hi foodie friends, and of course this is How to Foodie Nation. Back with me again is our good friend Michelle of Michelle Natural Delights, and today she's going to be teaching us all about Cow Heel Souse. So let's get sousing. Michelle, I'm excited. I'm excited. It is cow heel time. This is my time. So tell me how we're doing this.
Okay, first you get your cow heel and you pressure it.
Okay.
You can't put it to boil because it will take 10 years. So you must pressure it.
The pressure cooker is your friend?
Yes, of course, it's your close friend.
Okay.
So you pressure it. After pressuring it, make sure it's tender.
Okay, so
Then,
how long on average do you think it takes to pressure this?
well, about 10 minutes.
Okay.
About 10 minutes.
Yeah.
After you pressure, you wash about 4 times. Then you let it cool first.
Okay.
You don't ever season sauce when it's warm.
Okay.
You must let it cool right down.
Any particular reason?
Because it will gelatize. If you do it, if you season it while it's warm, it will gelatize. The heat from the meat plus the other seasonings would make it gelatize. So you don't want gelatize.
You don't want that jelliness hanging
No,
around.
you don't want that. You want sauce.
Okay.
Right.
And I heard you mention you're washing this about 4 times, just like what we did with the chicken foot.
Yes.
To make sure and get rid of any of that grease and oil and all that.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Right. So it's the same process. You start with the water.
Okay. So let me help you out then.
Sure.
Actually, I wanted to find out a little more about sauce. So I went doing a little bit of digging, and I saw this video. I don't know if you remember the late Anthony Bourdain.
Yes.
Right, and when he came to Trinidad, he did his show. And he talked about where sauce came from, basically. And he gave us the point that it was like in slave times, the African slaves didn't have
much.
Yeah, they didn't have much provisions and stuff. And
so they had to make do with what they had.
exactly.
Yes.
And so the meat that they would get would be like scrap meat, like
the foot. But
foot,
what wasn't
heel,
what,
what nobody would use.
So they make use of what was thrown away.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. And that's how they came up with this greatness. Especially too with pickling, like you told me last time, it's preserving.
Yes.
And they had no
the lime and the salt preserved it.
Yeah, they had the fridge back then, so this is how we had to do it.
Yes.
But anyway, that's a little sauce history. So next, of course, is your
salt. Yes.
So guide me on this one. I don't want to kill them with the salt.
No, don't kill them with the salt. 2 teaspoons. Well, your salt measurement depends on the amount of meat.
Okay, and how much meat is this?
This is about 2 pounds of cow heel.
Okay.
Right?
Cool.
Seasoning next.
Right, and this was
shallbeni and celery.
Right, okay. All in. Right.
With a good stir. The peppers now.
Don't
kill this time, huh?
I am not going to kill all in this time. So we go in and you'll tell me when to stop? All right.
That's it. That's good.
Cool.
That should be good for now.
Like
and pepper is a thing, it's easier add than minus.
Right, of course.
It's easier to add pepper than minus it.
Okay.
And the lemon juice now?
And lemon juice. And again.
Pour a good bit in.
That's enough or you need a little more?
Pour a little bit again.
A little shrink again?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, cool.
So you mix well.
Yeah, and again we mix outside of it here.
Yeah,
so
and
that
then add
it's all incorporated.
Yes, yes.
Very nice, very nice.
Getting the aroma?
Of course, I love that smell. Like, I love that smell.
So after your salt is dissolved, you just add it to the meat.
Okay. So let me bring this closer for you. And of course,
your
we
cucumbers?
Go in with our cucumbers. And we put in a good bit today.
All in. And give it a good mix.
Yeah.
Sauce is basically the same ingredients, just what varies is the meat.
Right. And so we've done chicken foot. We've done cow heel.
Yes.
I know there's pig foot. But you were telling me before about this strange, what I would call a strange sauce.
What?
The man who's make is gizzard.
Gizzard, yes. Everybody make
sauce.
gizzard sauce. There is pigtail sauce, cow skin sauce. Sauce varied.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can make any type of sauce.
Yeah.
Just different techniques to do different meats.
Actually, guys, if you have heard of an unconventional sauce, anything your mommy, your granny, anybody's make, tell us in the comments below. We want to hear what's all your sauce in. So, right, cool. Let it sit now.
For, yes.
How long will let it sit for?
Same, 15-20 minutes.
All right, cool. And then we're going to eat. Okay, cool. Sounds good. I am ready. I've been waiting.
Okay. No more, wait no more.
I could go ahead?
Yes, you can.
You don't mind?
I don't mind. You go ahead. You go first.
Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh.
I'll have this, please.
It is tender. Wait, but I didn't dip it.
You must do the dipping.
You have to do the dip. You have to do the dip. All right, there we go. There
Dips
we go,
makes
there
a
we go.
difference. That one make you close your eye. Let me hear you.
You wanna come and live by me? My mommy have space in the house, you know.
All right. I'll come and spend a weekend.
Bring a bucket of cow heel. I don't know, a bowl of pig foot. A container of chicken foot.
But then bring all this out then.
I mean, this was excellent. This recipe, your secret recipe, delicious.
I must think you're the secret,
You still didn't give me the secret, but that's okay. I know you want our friends. We have to go and check out Michelle. Michelle Natural
To get in?
Delights.
Yes.
By the Savannah.
Get in again?
So good. Listen, I'm making a whole for myself, mess of myself.
You go right ahead.
This was really good, guys.
Enjoy.
Definitely enjoyed it. Thanks so much for
Thank you
coming.
too.
Can't wait for you to come cook with us again. Excited in advance. Be sure,
Will do.
of course, guys, to check her out around the Savannah. And of course, as always, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe, and become a member of our Foodie Nation family. So until next time, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.